Now, for the first time in more than 30 years, the U.S. Supreme Court is ruling on a case that questions eyewitness testimony.
Target 13's James Jarman joins us now with more, new tonight at 6.
Yeah, guys, the High Court is ruling on a car break-in case that surrounds an eyewitness who saw a man being questioned by police and at that point ID'd him as the crook. Now, the man was found guilty based on that testimony from the eyewitness. Well, it turns out one of the top experts in the field of eyewitness reliability works right here in southern Colorado. And she says faulty eyewitness IDs happen a lot more often than any of us would like to admit.
All these names, nearly 300 men and women wrongfully convicted, 75% of them found guilty based on what turned out to be faulty eyewitness testimony.
You can scream at the top of your lungs, I didn't do it, and yet you're not believed. It must be one of the worst things.
UCCS Professor Dr. Ede Greene is a top expert in the field of eyewitness reliability.
Our memories don't work like videotape, so we definitely do fill in the blanks.
What about this? If you saw two women talking, then a man comes up and seems to know him. He chats him up. Then when he leaves, one of the women realizes her wallet's been stolen.
So what if police brought you down, showed you these suspect photos, lined them all up side by side so you could compare them? Photo lineups like this, they've been standard practice for years in law enforcement. We want to know if you could pick the right person. We're going to find out why eyewitness reliability experts think there's a better way to do lineups than that one we just showed you. That's tonight at 10. Also, you just saw a person walk behind us.
Not a mistake.
No. Yeah, that was intentional. Head to KRDO.com right now. Click on the Innocent Behind Bars banner. You can see the mug shots. Then down in the comment section, you may have to log in for this to comment. Give us your choice. They're listed 1 through 6. If you pick the right person, you're going to be enrolled to enter to win a $50 gift certificate. This one to Steaksmith, and we're going to announce the winner after the story tonight at 10. And unfortunately, guys, yeah, you guys can't play this one.
No, we know who that
we're out.
Is.
We're out. But it's interesting how we're influenced by what we see in those mugshots.
And we're going to get more into that tonight at 10. Show the better way that eyewitness reliability experts would like to see, and the way that a lot of states now have passed laws requiring these lineups to be performed in front of eyewitnesses. More on that coming up at 10.
And on fast crime can happen in just a moment.
Exactly.
All right. Thanks, James. A stranger dangerous.